Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make colored chocolate-covered strawberries. First, choose about 1 pound of fresh, firm strawberries, washing them gently under cool water. It is crucial to dry each berry completely with a paper towel. Any moisture will cause the chocolate to seize. Next, prepare your workspace by gathering your favorite melting chocolate, oil-based food coloring, and a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable dipping process. Now let's melt and color our chocolate. Place approximately 200 grams of white chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl or a double boiler. If microwaving, heat in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each until smooth. Once melted, add just a few drops of oil-based food coloring. Water-based colors will cause the chocolate to seize, so be careful. Stir continuously until the color is vibrant and perfectly blended. With your chocolate perfectly colored, it's time to dip. Hold a strawberry by its stem and submerge it into the melted chocolate, twisting gently to coat about 3/4 of the berry. Lift it out and allow any excess chocolate to drip back into the bowl for a few seconds. Carefully place the dipped strawberry onto your prepared parchment-lined baking sheet. If you wish to add sprinkles or edible glitter, do so immediately before the chocolate sets. To set your beautiful creations, place the baking sheet with the dipped strawberries into the refrigerator for at least 15 to 20 minutes. The chocolate should become firm and glossy. Once fully set, they are ready to be enjoyed. For optimal freshness, store any leftover strawberries in an airtight container in the refrigerator. These delightful treats are best enjoyed within 1 or 2 days for the freshest taste and texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.